Today I'll be putting you through on how you can use one of the best meal. Yeah. So this meal is one of the best meal. Yeah, which has this meal has 1 terabyte free storage, so you can use it as long as you want with wide storage. And this meal is what we call AOL, American Online. So before we dive into the video, I want you guys to please support your boy, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and also give a comment in the comment section. So I appreciate you guys for everything. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be appreciating you guys. If you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Much respect. Thanks for the love. So let's dive into it. Now, for you to sign up into this meal, all you have to do is go to your browser, in your search box, then click on AOL. So the first site that will pop out, click on it. So you have an interface similar to this one. Then you click on mail or sign in. There will be a sign in here where you can see the cursor. Then click on either of the two, either mail or sign in to create an account. So the next page that will come up is to create an account. Then you click on create account. Um, you fill up your details, your name, first name, last name, which mail you are going to use. Then click on next. Then after you click on next, then you can now add your phone number. So to sign up into this mail, you can also use your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail. Now this mail is similar to a Yahoo Mail, Gmail that has 15 gigabytes. So I have signed in my account. So the next thing we are going to do is to check our inbox, how we can compose messages, um, check our inbox, how we can delete inbox, how we can delete mails in our inbox, bulk our mails, how we can create signature. So chill and relax with me. So the first thing you have to do is come to where you have your mail after you've logged in or you've signed up. Come to your mail, click on it. So this is what you'll be having. You have something similar to this. Now for you to compose a message or a mail, all you have to do is click on where you have compose or this pencil and book icon. Can you see? So being the first time, because I just signed up as well, you can have something like this. So you can just pick any of this on how you want your home screen to look like. Let's pick this running guy. What do you know where it's running to? Yeah. So to compose our message, you have to click on compose. Yeah. So then you can now type in the mail, the person's mail you want to send the message to. Yeah. At whatever at gmail.com or yahoo.com, whatever. And the subject, this subject is optional. You can put something. Then here is where you can type in your messages, your mail. Then after you've done that, then you can click on send. Now to attach file to your mail, all you have to do is click to where you have, can you see my cursor? Where you have attach file. This is attach file. You click on it, attach file from your email or attach file from your computer. If you are using a phone, it can say attach file from your phone. So click on that. It's going to take me to my file where I can add either picture or videos to my message before I send. So I can just go to, let me take a picture. Yes. So let's make use of this picture. Positive. You need to be positive. Now it is loading. Yeah, once it's finished loading, then you can click on send. Then you can send your message or your mail. So let's just remove this, cancel. Yeah, it's so this are other features. Check your inbox. So this is my inbox. On read start draft, spam, trash. The trash are where your data messages will be. And we also have all this. So let's so to check your inbox, all you have to click on inbox and click on the message. Now you can view everything that is being said and you can view everything that's been said. Yeah. Now to delete a message, you can quickly come here to where you have delete, or you want to delete bulk mails, all you just have to is to click here, then you can mark the rest mails. There'll be a little box for you to mark, and when you are done marking the mails you want to delete, then you go to where you have your delete and what delete. So that is that about that. Now to save your contacts, you just have to come to where you have contacts, then you have all list, and just have to come to this person icon where you have this person icon. Then you can save your contact to it. You can save your contact to your mail, then and send mails to the person. Now, one of saving a contact is for you to send bulk mails. Now, you want to save bulk mails, you have to save contacts on your mail. So after saving those contacts on your mail, then you can start marking them. It's just like a phone book, so you can start marking them and send bulk SMS to the person or to the people you want to send the mails to. So for you to send bulk mail, what you have to come to where you have list. Let's say I have contacts, the contacts should be here, then I can just mark them and send bulk mails. But since I don't have any contact on my mail, I'll have to do is click on create list, then create contacts, then I'll save, I'll add contact, then save, then I can mark those contacts that I have saved, then send bulk SMS to those contacts. So another thing you can also do on your OL mail, sorry, is to create folder. So for you to create folder, you just have to come to your folder, click on new folder, and type in the title of the folder. Let's make it business folder. Submit input. Then can you see? Now you can move any inbox, any mails you have to this folder. Now creating this folder only helps you to stay, only help your mails to stay organized. Now you can just create a folder for business, a folder for your subscription, a folder for whatever. So to make your mails stay organized, so you just have to come to business folder, click on your business folder, and to check your mail. So for you to add message or mails to your folder, all you have to come to do, all you have to do is go to where you have the mails or the messages you want to move into your folder. I only have one mail on my folder which is in the inbox. All I have to do is mark it. Then I'll go to where I have moved Can you see business? Moving to business folder. So let's go and check. Now can you see that our inbox is empty? Our inbox is empty. So you just have to come to your business folder. Can you see now? The message or the mail that will move from our inbox is now in our business folder. So that's how you can make use of your folder, and that's all. So I would put it through also now on how you can make signature on email. Before I go into that, I want you guys to please subscribe, like this video, and turn on notification bell. Support your bro, support your guy. One love, one love. So to add signature to your mail, all you have to do is to come to where you have your settings. Can you see settings? Come to where you have your settings, click on settings. Then come to where you have more settings. You click on where you have writing email, writing email. Click on writing email. Then come down to where you have signature. Then you have to toggle it on. Toggle on, then you insert your signature. So I'm using my name for this signature so you guys can see. Yeah. So if you like it like this, fine. But if you don't, just highlight the text. Then you can make it bold. You can see. You can see it here. Look at my cursor. You can see it here. Make it italic. Yeah. So you can also change the color. What I'm doing here is what is also appearing here. So you can also change the color of your text. So let's make it red. Can you see it has changed here? Look at my cursor. It has changed here. Now for you to add background to the text, come to where you have these three colors. Click on it. Then when you have highlight color, you can click on any color you would like to insert. Now you can see. You can also add emoji as well, or also use link. You can as well use your link, maybe your business link or your uh, business link or whatever link you want to use as your signature. You can as well use that link. All you just have to do is copy the list from wherever it is from and paste it here. Then you turn on the signature automatically to be on your compose space. So let's that insert emoji. Yeah, so let's use this. So I'm taking off the background color so you can see the emoji. So to take the background color off, all you just have to do is click on where you have the white background. Oh, sorry, I have to highlight it. So highlight. Then click on where you have the white highlight color to change the background to plain one. Can you see? Now for you to change the alignment, which position do you want your signature to be? Is it at the right align, left align, or the middle align? Right now is at the left and right. So we can change it or move it to the right align. I see. So I think I prefer this right right align. So all you have to do is to go back to where you have your inbox, go back and click on compose. Can you see our signature? Here's our signature. Yes, sir. So whenever we keep typing, the signature still remains. So that's one thing about signature. Whatever you are doing still remains. Can you see? So that is that for this video. So I want you guys to please and please support your boy. Like this video, subscribe to this channel because I still have good and authentic video for you guys. So you guys have to stay tuned. Just thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please come back to watch my content because I have authentic content for you guys. God bless you guys. Have a nice day.